Today we're going to be cooking up a delicious beef and broccoli recipe that's quick and easy to make, and it tastes better than takeout. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This beef and broccoli is all cooked in one pan to save on the washing up. It's ready in about 20 minutes and it's super tasty. We're going to start by making the sauce. In a bowl, mix together 250ml, which is about a cup plus 2 teaspoons of hot beef stock, along with 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine or sherry, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper and 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. So now that sauce is done, we're going to fry off the steak. I've got about 500 grams, which is about 1.1 pounds of skirt steak here, that's been sliced really thinly. A little tip for you here is to place your steak in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that will help to firm it up so you can slice it extra thinly. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over a high heat in a wok or a large frying pan. Add the sliced steak and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, turning once or twice until the steak is just cooked. Transfer the steak to a bowl using a slotted spoon, leaving any liquid behind in the pan. Add 450 grams, which is about a pound, of tender stem broccoli to the pan and stir fry it for 2 minutes, stirring often. Now transfer that broccoli to the bowl with the steak. We want the broccoli for this dish to be tender, but also bright green and still with a little bit of crunch. If you like your broccoli to be softer, just stir fry it for a couple of minutes longer with a splash of water. Now turn the heat down to medium and add a tablespoon of vegetable oil to the pan. Add in a teaspoon of minced ginger and 2 cloves of minced garlic and fry, stirring often for 30 seconds. Add in that sauce mixture that we prepared earlier and turn up the heat to high and stir it all together. Allow the sauce to come to the boil and then slowly pour in a cornstarch slurry, which is about 2 tablespoons of corn flour mixed with 5 tablespoons of cold water. Keep stirring it whilst you're adding the slurry until the sauce thickens. Add the beef and broccoli back to the wok and toss it all together, cooking for a further minute, then turn off the heat. Serve with boiled or fried rice and topped with a sprinkling of sesame seeds. And there you go, that's how to make a fantastic and tasty beef and broccoli. A classic beef stir fry that's quick and easy to make and the whole family will love. See you next time for more delicious recipes.